guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a round bottom flask, but like with poison in it. So like cartoon poison, woo, like the scientist would have in a science laboratory. So you'll see what I mean. And we're going to grab a marker. So let's get started. Before you do, if you love Halloween, please hit that like button so we can have more videos, so I can make more videos because they are based on views and likes, the amount I make them. So every time you do that, I'll just create more because it's cool, you know? So right now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line down, another line down. Actually, I might even extend these two lines. And I'm going to draw as near as I can a circle. And then we're going to draw the top part. We're talking about like a glass rounded area for this. And this is called a round bottom flask. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the waviness here. And another circle on the inside of this because the glass has a thickness to it. And then we're going to draw a skull right here. Kind of a skull shape. Kind of a bit of a blob, but let's make sure it kind of reads like that. And we're gonna draw sticks sticking out of it. So it's good, representing a skull and crossbones. It doesn't have to look exactly like it, it just has to have the impression of it. And then we're gonna grab a colored pencil, and I'm gonna grab a Rose Art brand colored pencil. And I'm gonna grab this aqua one. Actually, I want green, so I'm gonna grab green. And I'm going here and only the liquid section because I want it to look like green liquid. And that's pretty much it. If you really want, you can add little bubbles toward the top here, like it's bubbling up with the colored pencil. And if you really want, also you can draw the inner portion of that part of the tube. But that's pretty much it. I'll draw that. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. If you did like the tutorial and it made sense, please hit the like button and share the video. I'm going to be drawing a lot more of these and all kinds of stuff until Halloween. I'll maybe do a different version of this as well. So thank you guys, and I'll see you later on.